Dear friends, welcome to Tech Nursery. In this video, I am going to explain an error which I got when I was working in a Node.js project. I am developing a Node.js project. I got this error in Node.js project. I will read the error message. Node SAS could not find a binding for your current environment. OS X 64-bit with node 0.10.x. So, how can we solve this issue? I will explain three methods. You can choose any one of it. You try one by one. Once it is fixed, you can continue your work. First option is try to run this command npm rebuild node-sass. Because when we read the error message, we know that it is related to node SAS npm package. The error message is node SAS could not find a binding for your current environment. So try to execute this command. Try to rebuild your node-SAS by executing npm rebuild node-SAS. If it doesn't work for you, make sure that your Node SAS npm package is compatible with your Node.js version. Try to check what version of Node SAS and Node.js is used in your project. Otherwise, in this second option, we are going to upgrade our Node.js version used in the project. We are going to latest support version of Node.js installing in our system. So first we will install NVM. NVM stands for Node Version Manager. NVM is installing because by using NVM we can install Node.js very easily. So in order to install NVM, first you have to run this command. Then depending upon your shell profile, you have to reload your shell profile configuration file. So you have to execute source bash rc or source zsh rc. For example, you have to execute any one of this command based on your shell profile. If you are using bash, execute this command. If you are using zhrc, execute this command. That's why I mentioned depending on your shell. So this is two commands. Try to execute any one of it based on your shell profile. Then by using, if you execute these two commands successfully, NVM is installed on your system. Now we have to execute nvm install --lts, which will install long-term support version of Node.js on your system. Then after executing this command successfully, we will execute this command nvm use --lts. That means this long-term support version of Node.js that we are going to use in this current project. By executing nvm use --lts, we will set this long-term supported version of Node.js on your system, and we will use that version of Node.js. If you have different versions of Node.js on your system, by executing this command, we will use the LTS version of Node.js, which we already installed by using this command. Then we will install Node SAS npm package also, because the latest Node.js is already installed and using in our project. Now we have to install Node SAS, which is compatible with the latest Node.js version. By executing these commands, you can fix this error. If still you get the error, go for the third option. You have to uninstall Node SAS npm package, then clear npm cache by executing this command. We are forcefully clearing npm cache. Then we will install Node SAS latest version by executing this command. So go through these three options, use any one of them which is applicable for you. Thank you.